Welcome back to Legal Genie, your go-to channel for all things legal. Today we're bringing you an important update to our video premiered on May 7, 2024, titled Supreme Court vs. Misleading Patanjali Ads. In our previous video, we discussed the Supreme Court's critical judgment on misleading advertisements by Patanjali and the broader implications for advertising standards in India. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to check it out. Now, the latest update. The Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has mandated a new self-declaration certificate for all advertisers following the Supreme Court's directive. Let's break down what this means for advertisers and the general public. Following the Supreme Court's ruling, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting issued a directive requiring all advertisers to submit a self-declaration certificate before publishing or broadcasting any ads. This new rule comes into effect on June 18, 2024. According to the Press Information Bureau, the ministry has introduced a feature on the Broadcast Seva portal for television and radio ads, and on the Press Council of India's portal for print and digital ads. Advertisers must submit their certificates through these portals. The portal goes live on June 4, 2024, and advertisers have until June 18, 2024, to familiarize themselves with the new process. No advertisement will be allowed to run on TV, print media, or the internet without a valid self-declaration certificate. The self-declaration certificate must certify that the advertisement does not contain misleading claims and complies with all relevant regulatory guidelines, including Rule 7 of the Cable Television Networks Rules, 1994, and the norms of journalistic conduct of the Press Council of India. This measure is a direct response to the Supreme Court's observation that misleading Patanjali ads were still appearing online despite being prohibited. A bench of justices, Himakoli and Ahsanuddin Amanullah, emphasized the need for greater transparency and accountability in advertising. The MIB's directive is a significant step toward ensuring that advertisers, broadcasters, and publishers engage in responsible advertising practices. By adhering to these new guidelines, we can protect consumers and maintain the integrity of advertising in India. That's all for today's update. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest legal updates. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video on Legal Genie.